Hey guys, Paul, Inventor 3. I'm still here, I'm still alive. I just went away for a couple weeks. Italy, Rome, Florence, Venice. It's beautiful. I'll never forget it. Bucket list vacation. Anyhow, this is my passion here. I want to change the world before I die. That's what I really want to do. It's getting hard to do more good experiments here now with this setup, so I'm just getting too cramped in here again. I don't like it. I gotta clean my laboratory again, so that's gonna be done slowly over time. I got a bunch of tack paper here. Okay, this is the front entrance to my lab where I come in. The zipper's kind of busted there. You can see how bad the panel's getting. Plastic, the tarp is kind of ripped, and all these shelves. This is a before shot, guys. Okay. There's a lot of work to do in here. Take everything off these shelves, re-clean them, new tack paper, get rid of any junk on there, it's no good. Move them all out, get rid of this insulation that's back there, make sure there's no mice problems. All this garbage. See how the tarp is ripped back there too. My Tesla coil. My poor Tesla coil. This project, man, has just taken over everything. Let me keep going around a little bit here. Jet heater. All these coils. Oh my God. Oh, my perpetual motion machine. Never worked yet, but I believe it can. Absolutely. Oh my God. John Hutchison samples. My Jacob's ladder. Oh, all these shelves back here. Broken glass back there. Animals. A lot of stuff. Alright, so this is the before. I'll have to save this footage. All this stuff under the tables. Oh my gosh. It's just so much work. There's my Van de Graaff generator. Oh yeah. That's another thing. I got carpenter bees in here. Anyhow, guys. Okay, that's the. Still working on our project. It's 127 volts across that bulb. You see, I got a big silver tray for the pickup here. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a before shot, not a project thing. So, alright, guys, this is the before shot. Yeah, wow. Keep in mind, guys, too, that this really is a very large task. Every single item in this laboratory, well, there's 7 years. I had it in my dad's backyard, and then I moved it in my own backyard, and that was after. And I've been here 8 years. Well, the laboratory's been in my backyard for 8 years. So anyhow, every single item in here, I gotta pick up and think to myself, all right. Now, is this garbage? Do I need this anymore? Is it rusted? Is it too old? Have I used it? If I'm going to keep it, I got to clean it off. Get the 8 years of dust off of it and spider webs. So, yeah, this is a really big undertaking. I'm going to put new flooring in, new tarp. Yeah, everything. And so you got all this insulation back there that is all disgusting. Anyhow, alright guys, let's keep going.